Today I want to show you something a little bit different, not to do with plating really, but I use this for plating as well. This one is a little pressure washer, I call it, and another one I have, which is a spray bottle, battery powered. This one, and I'll show you in a minute how they work. They're both from Lidl's, UK here. This little spray bottle, this one is $39.99. It's not cheap. There's a 5-liter container in there, as you can see there. The top is a container, and then you have the nozzle and everything down there, cable. You can put it in there, which is quite nice really, but it's not cheap. Should have been a little bit cheaper really. So this is the charging point. There's a battery in there, you can charge it. Apparently when it's completely empty within 1 hour, and you can charge it also in a car. There's a car charger as well. So there's a button there, which is just switched on, the red one, just over the charging port, and then you can look. The pressure is not bad at all. There's a little compressor in there which, switches on and off. Soon you let it go, the compressor switches off eventually. Yeah, I find it's quite good. If you have bigger items and you want to rinse them, I'll put the nice water in it. And anyway, if you want to rinse them, or if you're finished and you put normal water in, if you want to rinse in between stages, so you need clean water, deionized water, of course. If not, it's the final rinse. You can use tap water, no problem. Right, this is this one. But I mean, it's a little bit of a gadget. It's 30-40 quid. So, but it makes life a little bit easier. This is the other one, and this is like $6.99 litres, and it's battery powered, and this works very well. I used it a few times now, and I think this one is brilliant, because normally I have a pump up or a spray bottle like this. Only spraying, and then you pump it all the time, which is annoying for me. I always wanted something with electric or with a pump in it. And the good thing is, you can see it. Look, upside down I can do it. Upside down, I'll put it to the side, and you can see it. I have only like 600 ml in there. You can fill it up with 1 liter, I think. Yeah, 1 liter top. 700 ml I've got in there, and I'll show you how it works. They just put a big weight on there on the thing that look, and then soon you tip it. This is going everywhere, always where the water is. Yeah, and this one there's the batteries in there. It's sealed in there. It's quite well sealed, so it shouldn't be a problem with moisture or anything. Yeah, $6.99. I think it's worth every penny. It works well. Anyway, thanks for watching. Till next time. See you later. Bye bye.